Alright, in this problem you're given a 10-year bond that has a par value of $1,000 and is selling for $11.05 today. The bond has a coupon rate of 8.25%. Interest is paid semi-annually. And we're told that if the market rate of interest changes to 7.1% over the next year, what's the new price going to be for the bond 1 year from today? Alright, so we can go ahead and plug in what we know: number of periods, rate, PV, FE, and PMT. I know that today it has 10 years to go and 2 payments a year. In 1 year, it'll only have 9 years to go and 2 payments a year. It doesn't tell me what the yield to maturity is today, but it tells me that it'll be 7.1% a year from now. So the 6-month yield to maturity a year from now would be half of that. The par value is $1,000, and the payment would be the coupon rate times the par value. That's 8.25% times the par value, and then divide by 2 to convert it into semi-annual payments. So I can calculate what the price will be in a year, given the change in the interest rate. Alright, so that's rate, number of periods, payment, future value. So the price will go to $1,075.53. I can look and see what the price is today. Okay, today the bond is selling for $1,105. It'll still have a $1,000 par value, and the $41.25 is still the same. If I wanted to, I can look up the yield to maturity just by calculating for rate. So today, with 20 payments of $41.25, selling for $11.05, and a future value of $1,000, today the yield to maturity on that bond would be 3.39 times 2, or right around 6.79%. And a year from now, interest rates have gone up. Remember, if interest rates go up, bond prices go down. But since the interest rate has changed, it'll change the value of the bond. So 1 year from now, this bond, assuming that this is correct, the bond a year from now will have 9 years to go with 2 payments a year. The coupon is carved in stone when they issue the bond, as is the par value, so those two numbers won't change. What'll change every year, there'll be 1 year less till maturity, so while this changes, it changes in a very predictable manner. The two numbers that are of interest would be the price and the yield to maturity. Interest rates go up, price of the bond will go down, holding all else constant. So that gives us some indication if we think bond prices were going to go, or if we thought that bond yields would be going up, it means that the price of the bonds should be going down.